Coffee. 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 We got up early this morning. We stopped in and what was the name of
Harbor?
Yeah. It was Kaka.
Let me go get it and look at it.
Yeah, we should know this, but we're just inept at pronouncing these names. Anyway, this is Molokai. And
Want me to tell you what it was?
yeah,
Kauna Kakai.
Kauna Kakai.
And I don't know if that's the correct pronunciation.
We're learning in Hawaiian that you pronounce pretty much every letter. Anyway, that anchorage was pretty bouncy. It was really hot. We didn't see a whole lot to do there. So we only stayed one night, and we're headed to Honolulu, the big city. Right now we have a slight wind on a beam reach. It's given us a little bit of help. And once we get beyond that point down there, we'll be back in the ocean swells. And maybe I'll video a little more then. That's it for now. Okay, so we're about 6 miles from Molokai and about 16 from Oahu. And we're motor sailing, although I'm not sure you can call it sailing because the sails just started flopping around like crazy because the wind died. There's a freighter that's anchored. I think he's anchored in about 150 feet of water. So there is Molokai, and up there is Oahu. And we're just kind of bouncing around in these swells. It must be getting kicked up by that tropical storm way to the south. There's nothing worse than no wind and swells, and that's kind of what we have right now. If this keeps up, probably have to pull the sails in just so they don't beat themselves to death. Chris is happy she's got cell phone access again, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi.
And that's about it. We're starting to see boats on our chart plotter, which we hadn't seen for a while. We expect to see a lot more traffic as we get close to Honolulu because it is a big city. That's it.
What are you trying to do?
Well, this is close. What's going on?
We're just bobbing around out here like a cork in these crazy seas that are coming from every which direction, and the wind is whirling around all in a big circle, and it's just, I don't know what it's doing.
Where are we?
We are a short distance away from Oahu. We left Molokai this morning, and we're getting it. We can see it, and I don't know. I think we're going to get there about 4 o'clock, and it's noon now, so another 4 hours maybe.
We're gonna go to the Waikiki Yacht
We're going to
Club.
Waikiki Yacht Club.
Probably have showers and
I think they have really nice facilities there, which would be the first facilities really of any sorts.
yeah, we could probably wash clothes, except I've been wearing the same clothes for about 2 weeks.
We can probably wash clothes, although what we might do is wash the clothes we need for the next week and save a bulk of the laundry for when we're at our beautiful rental house in Diamondhead.
Mrs. Close always has a plan.
I always have a plan.
Okay, let's take a look at Oahu. There's Oahu. There was a a low here that's moving away, but you can see it's still raining there. So I'm actually looking forward to the rain because it's also quite hot here. Maybe not to you people who live in the Midwest, but to us mountain folk, we're used to being cool at night. There's a tug and tow that passed us a little while ago. Anyway, so what's going on? Bye.
Bye.
Well, since there's not much to do except sit here and try and get there, that is Oahu. We're getting closer. There's a big squall right over there right now. We're just kind of
Surfing.
hanging out back here.
Surfing over these big old waves.
We just got a double reefed main up. There's not that much wind, but we're cruising along at 6. Watching these, there's swells that come in from that side, and then there's swells that come in from the back, and just kind of bounce around. Be nice if that squall would get out of the way. I'd throw out some more sail, but I think we'll be prudent and wait. Got anything to add? You don't like being on the camera?
No. Bye.
Well, we're not in Kansas anymore. Honolulu. Those are more buildings than we've seen in 6 weeks. Amos is close.
Yep.
So we just rounded Diamondhead,
Beautiful.
which is beautiful. Got out of those rowdy swells back there, and now we're actually just sailing. We had a bit of everything today. We had wind from the starboard, a little bit of wind from the port. We had no wind and just motoring, and motor sailing. And now we're going to sail our final 2 miles to the entrance to the harbor, which is there. And I think we're going to be tied up on that middle finger at the Waikiki Yacht Club. Should be good. Anything to add?
Nope. I'm excited to get here.
Shopping. And the kids arrive next week. Okay, we're back in business. GoPro is powered up again.
Hi.
Hi, look who's at the helm.
Ah! Hey, thought.
We are. That's kind of exciting because we're going into, what's the name of the harbor?
I'll let. I have to look it up.
Alley-oop Harbor in Honolulu.
What did you call it?
Alley-oop.
It's Ali something.
So I should set this thing up right here. Hi. Thanks. You want this?